In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import your products into Shopify using CSV files easily. Whether you're starting a new online store or simply looking to streamline your inventory process, knowing how to import products efficiently can be a real game changer. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to your Shopify admin panel. If you're already logged in, you'll see the familiar dashboard where you manage your store's operations. If not, just log in using your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Home section of your store. This is your main hub where you can access all core functionalities and get an overview of your store's performance. Now let's move over to the Products section. Clicking on Products will take you to a page listing all the items currently available in your store. Here you can manage individual item details, but our focus is on importing new products efficiently. To the top right of this page, you'll notice the Import button. Go ahead and click on it. This button is the gateway to adding multiple products simultaneously using a CSV file. You'll be brought to a new page prompting you to upload a Shopify formatted CSV file. This is an important step, as your CSV file needs to adhere to Shopify's structure for the import to be successful. Shopify provides templates that you can download to ensure your file's format is correct. If you've prepared your file already, click on the Upload button and select it from your computer. Upon selecting your file, you should see a preview of what will be imported. This is an opportunity for you to review the data to check for any errors or inconsistencies. Remember, once imported, this information will live in your store, so accuracy is key. If everything looks good, it's time to move on by clicking Next. This step will process the data, and depending on the size of your file, it might take a moment. Be patient as Shopify does its magic. Don't worry if it takes a little longer than expected. The speed often depends on the number of products and data complexity. Once the import is completed, a summary screen will appear providing you details of the import process. This includes any potential errors or mismatches encountered. It's a good idea to closely examine this summary to ensure everything imported smoothly. Following these steps, you'll streamline your process for managing product inventories. Importing via CSV is particularly helpful for large item databases, saving time and minimizing repetitive data entry. With your products now in Shopify, you're ready to optimize your store further by setting up categories, pricing, and product descriptions. That's all for today's guide. I hope you found it helpful, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or explore more detailed guides on Shopify's help resources. Happy selling and see you next time. See.